Is this life meant to be?
To enjoy the fruits of my relationship and to
We are hungry. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are good, hope you guys are blessed. It's been a minute, it's been a while. I don't know when last did I catch or touch this camera, and I decided to just call this vlog the Chronicles of Adulting. If so be I'm making it a thing, I guess we'll be making it a thing. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, my name is Ntando Praise Khatebe, and welcome to my channel. I hope that you will like what you see. That will make you like, comment, subscribe, and share the link with everybody else. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much, friends, for being patient with me. You know, sometimes consistency is consistency, sometimes it's this discouragement along the way, and you're like, why am I doing this? But either row, I think I'm gonna do this for my memories in future, to look back and be like, what we are here. So guys, without wasting any further ado, today I'm going to the doctor alone. I'm going to the doctor alone, and I'm wondering, is this life meant to be the life that I'm meant to live, going to the doctor alone? And I realized as I got to think, because there's a writer, there's a saying that says, to be or not to be. And I got to think about it, that is this life meant to be? I don't know, that doesn't make sense, so cut. But anyways, so yeah guys, I'm going to the doctor alone, and I'm very quite interested in to see how is it like going to the doctor alone in a while, like in a very I've never, it's my first time going to the doctor alone. So am I excited? I am excited. I'm like and I'm just doing a full body checkup, so which is important, and I encourage you guys to do also a full body checkup to see, like, so that you know sometimes how you watch people's stories that they detected like maybe like years later that, oh, they found something in your body. So I just want to make sure that I'm fine, I'm healthy as I feel healthy. I hope it is like that as well. So yeah guys, I hope I guess you guys are coming along with me to this journey of doctor today, and yeah. Hi friends, hope you guys are good, hope you guys are blessed. Today is the day that the Lord has made, and we are going to my friend's graduation. Of course, the morning started like a very pitting, but we're gonna make it either way. We're gonna make it, and I'm so nervous. I am so nervous because I get to meet Ellie's friends. And yes, so but anyways guys, hope you guys are good, hope you guys are blessed. Hi guys, so I'm with sponsor. Hello. So we made it to the thingy. Now we're looking for Jaden, and I can't see him. Did you call him? What is for Jamile?
myself and to act on my own. To enjoy the fruits of my relationship and
so we are done, or the graduation thing is done. It was very quick, an hour that we're done. Now we're so thirsty. I want to say more, but I can't say more because what if, you know. But we are hungry, that's all I can say. We are hungry and oh my days. But anyways, okay, this is dark. Oh, okay. But anyways, as we go to get water. Hi friends, hope you guys are good, hope you guys are blessed. Today is the 10th of October. You know, I don't know where's this vlog going, but this is just me deciding or wanting to get back to YouTubing and vlogging and stuff like that. So yeah, I know yesterday's vlog, it's pretty much, it ended up in the middle. I didn't show you guys the end. Guti, we ended up going to the mall, we went to Ellie's place, there was a braai, we met other Ellie's friends, and I left early because curfew, and now we're here. It's the 10th of October, and I am deciding to get back to skipping. My brother, I know my brother runs every morning and in the evening, so I am currently wanting to get back to the habit of skipping again. So let's see how it goes. And yeah, will I lift weights? I don't know, but we'll see how that goes. So stay tuned. Bye for now. If he makes this is my, I'm sure, 4th time using it this year, because I was using this for moisturizing my face. So yeah, I guess I'm juggling between the two. I don't know if it's safe or yeah, but my skin, I have a rash skin, and I texted Sister Beanie, Sister Bushi, and I asked her, let's say my sister, for skin prep, and then she recommended calamine. So it's something I had to buy because of a rash veil. She recommended calamine, and I think I might post the chat. Yeah, and then so I'm gonna work on those and see. But overall, I also been praying for my skin as well. That is something I recommend. Pray for your skin, you, because sometimes I want you. So I think ever since I also prayed for my skin, it's a little bit better, because and I realized actually I'm not supposed to eat dairy products like that anymore. And I love cheese, I love milk. So I'm guessing because of now I need to take care of the skin. I need to minimize on dairy products, which is very, very, very hard, guys. Oh my goodness, it's very hard. So it's me taking care of my skin, taking care of my body, what I eat and all that jazz. So yeah, being a human is something else. But I just need to take care of myself, Shem. I just need to take care of myself. I love the fact that I was a girly girl this month or something. Like I did my nails, I did my lashes. Usually it's like I do one, either I do lashes and then for a month, and then I do nails alone, it's like just one. So now I was like, let me do them all together, and it's been really nice. It's been interesting. I'm easing up to dresses because I don't wear dresses as well. I don't wear dresses. Heels, I'm not sure. Heels, Shem. Yeah, no heels. Yeah, no. I'm fine. And well, guys, I guess this is it for my night routine. And thank you so much for watching if you watched till this far. And I guess I'll see you when I turn on this camera for as far. So bye for now.
Yeah.
Awanyala.
You're married, guys. It's recognized. How?
My sister.
How? What do you mean?
You don't know. What is the
If there's that letter, it means unyezi. And you can't marry someone else until we are
of large countries of arms. They were intercepted by the Transkei security cluster then, and it was confirmed was to eliminate me. Their failure.
Hi friends, hope you guys are good and you're blessed. The time is 10 a.m. It's a Wednesday today, and I just did my Bible devotion. And guys, I just want to say, wait on the Lord. Wait on the Lord and He shall renew your strength. Wait on the Lord in situations where it's not making sense, it's confusing, you don't know what's happening. If the Lord led you there, wait on Him and wait for His next direction. Because with obedience, you take The Lord instructs you, you take the step, and you still wait on him. If he's not saying anything for the past month or the past year, still wait on him until he says something. Move. Don't take control over God's leading. I just wanted to say that because that's what I've learned during the devotion. But if so be that you want us to interact more about it, please do comment about it. And I hope you guys can hear me because I opened the window because it's very hot. I don't like summer. I don't like summer. Here in my heart, I'm waiting for winter, and winter is next year. I'm waiting for a rainy day. I'm waiting for a cold week or cold weeks, so that I don't get to experience this heat. I don't love summer, period. And right now, I'm just gonna grab a quick snack, something at McDonald's or this other cafe next to. Yeah, that cafe is down the road. So McDonald's is just also that way, but it's not far. So I might just grab a muffin. Guys, I am obsessed with chocolate muffin. But also, I'm also craving for a filled croissant. So I might go to that cafe, actually get a filled croissant, and then come back to school because my class is at 11 a.m. and now the time is 10. And yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it. That's pretty what is happening today. Am I gonna vlog my day? Maybe. Yes, I think, because the name of this vlog is Navigating Adulthood. Guys, I'm at a point in my life where I'm just living and trusting in the Lord. I repented right now. The things I was talking to people, I was telling people, I was ngati, I'm not a child of God. Ngati, I don't know who the God I serve. So I think let's just put it with the way I'm seeing my life right now. It's like, Lord, take the wheel. Like, I'm really like just vibe. And yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it. And I guess we will talk, and as you guys are spending the day with me, I won't be talking though throughout. I guess I'm just gonna be showing swing, and then yeah. But overall, bye for now. Hi guys, so made it home and I realized I forgot to buy markers for my assignment, and I hope, and I need black, I really need black, but I was like, you know what, ngizobona phambili, and ngizobona phambili, but see, some trust in chariots, some trust in horses, but we trust in the name of the Lord. So I guess this is me walking by faith, literally. And sizobona phambili. I guess for today, this is where I'm ending a vlog, because I'm going to exercise now when I get home. The time is 5:20 if I'm not mistaken, or before there. And then I'm going to do some exercises, bath, and then get on with my assignment. I even forgot that tomorrow is school day, yes. But I think I'm gonna pull an all-nighter to finish, because ain't no way I'm gonna repeat what I did on Monday, submitting late, 10 to 12, whereas the assignment is 11:59. Me, I submitted 11:50. So I guess this is I'm ending the vlog. Bye. Oh no.